Hi there, for today's reading activity, we are going to be focusing on character traits. We will be focusing on this character, Rainbow Fish, okay? So let's go ahead and write today's date, 3/2/21, fold the page, draw a line down the middle. On one side, write outside. Little arrows pointing out. Okay. This side, write inside. Little arrows pointing in. Okay. And what you're going to do now is write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give you a little bit to copy this. You might need to pause the video too. So go ahead and set up your journal like this. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video. But what you're going to do after you set up your journal like this, you are going to list some things about the rainbow fish, the outside. Remember, outside is the physical traits, what we can see. So I'm going to put a picture of the rainbow fish on the slide so you can look at the picture to help you with the outside. List 3 things: his color, his size, his eyes, right? Just different things about the rainbow fish. And then on the inside, you need to think back to the story about how the rainbow fish acted. What did he say? How did he behave? His actions, right? Okay, and then once you're done, you're going to take a picture and upload your work. Hope you enjoyed today's reading activity.